Okay, we're rolling.
Go, yeah. Watch out.
Nice. All right, Cab, go. Oh, hang on. Had a little mishap.
I was doing so good.
You did great. All right, Cab.
Hang on, I gotta go. Gotcha. Alright, here we go.
All right, drop in again, Cab. Drop in again, son. Because it's about to rain. I just felt some big drops hit me.
Yeah, come on, hurry.
Romeo, come here. Romeo, come here. Yeah, pump. Looks good. That's good. All right. That was hilarious. Now, Parker, you go. That's all right, buddy. You're fine.
I like how you
There goes Parker again. All right, go.
should have filmed that in slow mo. It started raining. We should probably head in.
Notice today we're filming the kids dropping in because Dad has not dropped in on day one. Dad is not. There's Dad's skateboard. He has not dropped in on this ramp. All right, go, Cab. Yeah, that was gooder. More gooder even. Perfect.
Doing it.
I thought you did it on purpose.
Oh, I'm trying.
Okay. Romeo, what do you think, buddy?
Up here.
Okay.